Oh, Stephen, apparently Brian's got bird flu.
What's bird flu?
I don't know, that's why I'm looking it up. It says here that bird flu is flu found in birds.
Does that mean that Brian's a bird?
It means I should have bought a better dictionary. Oh, hey Brian. Whoa!
Holy crap, Rory, Brian just died of bird flu. Well, then he must be a bird. Brian is not a bird! And yet, he died of bird flu.
Alright, come on, I'll call the cops, you check the body book.
Man, I still can't tell he's a bird.
Wait a minute, I can't call the cops. They're going to ask so many probing questions, and I'm not good under pressure. I'm going to go to jail, and then I'll end up getting killed. And
Gordon,
what?
how do you tell if somebody is a bird?
Normally, the feathers are a giveaway. Christ, Rory, come on, we've got to focus. Okay, think, Gordon. What would Columbo do? I could hide the body, but that might be more suspicious. I'm screwed either way. What do you think, Rory?
I think the sooner they stop showing reality TV shows, the sooner I can stop killing.
Wait a minute, where's the body?
I put it in the kitchen.
What the hell do you do that for?
There was no room on the sofa.
Oh no, the body's been moved.
You are so screwed.
What do you mean, just me? You were here too, for fuck's sake, come on, Rory!
Now look, only birds can get bird flu, which means that Brian must be a bird. So killing him isn't technically murder, it's just a form of hunting, yeah?
I mean...
So all we have to do
Why?
is prove that he's a bird to the proper authorities. Come on! Let's get researching.
Oh. Oh man, I'm so screwed. I've just got to think about how I'm going to deal with this. Maybe Gavin will have a good idea. I'll go see him. Well, look who it is. I've still not forgiven you for what you did. Go away, I don't want to see you. What the hell did I do? I told you, I don't want to see you right now. Gavin, what the hell did I do to make you so angry? You don't remember, do you? Well, I'll tell you what you did. Now do you remember? Gavin, none of that actually happened! I suppose I could have dreamed it.
Haha, got it. I finally cracked it. I finally know what we're gonna do.
Alright, so you know what we're gonna do with Brian then? What's wrong with Brian?
He's dead.
He's dead!
Yeah, get used to it. You see, I just went through 3 million scientific tests, and through my discovery, I realized several things. You see, while bird flu can in fact pass through onto humans, there's never been a scientific case of this thus yet. And of course, it's never really gonna happen on these shores, which all just brings me to my perfect conclusion.
And what would that be?
Brian is not just any bird. He is King Mecha Bird the 4th.
King Mechabird.
The 4th.
King Mechabird?
The 4th.
Jesus H. Christ, Roy! Look! Brian is not a bird, for the love of God! Can somebody with some sanity please come and talk to me? How the hell? That doesn't even make scientific sense! God, Rory! Oh, God, you're just such a frickin' moron! How can you say that Brian is a bird? Oh my God, Brian's a bird! I always figured Brian would be a chicken. Come on, we can take him. What do you say, Gavin? Okay, Rory?
Oh, he's not taking me alive. Eat my poison, chicken face.
Whoa! Sons of bitches! Wait a minute, why the hell should I be afraid of a giant chicken? Okay, that's a pretty good reason. Whoa! Hey! Brian, it's me, do you remember? Come on, just don't go! Oh, I see. Oh yeah, very funny. Very funny you think this is! God. Is the giant chicken gone yet? Yes, Gavin, he's gone. Gone to a better place. He just wanted to have fun. But man had to meddle in his ways. I thought you killed him. Well, yeah, that's what I meant.
Oh man, I must have used the wrong pills. God, I hope I didn't use the laxatives.
I'll be feeling that in the morning. Well, I'm glad that it all worked out. And the best thing is, no one got killed and or hurt. You know, except for Brian. Brian was a giant chicken.
But no, this is what I've been wanting to tell you guys. The chicken wasn't Brian at all. You see, Brian was human, and so he couldn't get bird flu. That was actually a chicken posing as Brian.
Well, putting aside how stupid that sounds for the moment, what does that mean Brian is?
I think you'll find he's about to walk through that door. Oh, I guess Brian really was a chicken then.